Let's motivate this unit by taking a look at a classic question. This comes up in a lot of different applications. We have two different entities, in this case, two people, two brothers, who are on different paths, and we want to find out when those paths are going to meet. So take a moment and read the question. Do a pause if you need. Now, let's start putting our information together. There are many ways to figure out the solution to this problem. Let's start with one of the simpler, and that's to simply list how much money each brother has after a certain number of months until we find a time where they match up. So let's take a look down here at Chester to start with. So what do we know about Chester? It tells us that to start, Chester starts with $390. So at month 0, that's the very beginning of the saving process, Chester has $390 in the bank. And each month, Chester is going to save an additional $20. So let's think this through. After 1 month, Chester is going to have his initial $390, and he's going to add on 20 more for a total of $410 after the first month. The next month, he adds on another 20. So 410 plus another 20 means he'll have 430 after 2 months. And this pattern will then continue. Add another 20, add another 20, and keep adding. Let's see, 490. Then we've got, we cross into 500 at that point. So 510. And then 530. Now, I don't know how far I need to go because I don't yet know what's going to happen with Stanley's money. Let's hope this is far enough. If it's not, I can always just add more rows to the table. Here's your task now. I want you to pause the recording and on your own scratch paper, do the same thing now for Stanley. Bearing in mind, Stanley starts with $180 and saves $50 each month. So he begins with less, but he's saving more over time, so he will catch up. So let's go ahead and have you fill out Stanley's chart. We'll check in a moment. Okay, I hope you paused. Now let's see if our numbers match up. So starting with 180, after 1 month, he'll add on $50 to that for a total of 230. Another 50. Another 50. So notice his numbers are growing very quickly. $50 a month, that's a lot that he's saving. So he's starting to catch up. 480. And then 530. Okay, so again, if I need more rows, I can add more rows, but let's take a look at what we have. What we want to see is, after how many months will they have the same amount and how much will they have? Let's take a look. In month 0, they don't have the same. Chester has more. The same is true in month 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to the bottom of our chart. This is where it happens. So what I'm seeing is it's this 7. So after 7 months, they will both have saved $530. You may not realize it, but you just solved a system of equations, and that's what this unit is about.